Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an initiating coverage. Our analyst initiate coverage on 5-star business finance with a buy rating and a price target of Rs 800. 5-star is uniquely positioned with superior growth and best-in-class profitability among its peers. 5-star's key strength is its strong underwriting practices, which have led to superior asset quality performance through cycles. We believe there is a strong runaway for loan growth in the untapped, niche, and fast-growing small business segment of MSME in India. New customer addition led by aggressive branch expansion, employee addition improvement in branch vintage, along with strong risk filters and framework would help the company to gain exposures to India's financial inclusion story. Considering better return and growth outlook, we believe 5-star would command premium over peers. The stock is currently trading at 3.8 times FY24 estimated book value per share and 3.2 times FY25 estimated book value per share. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 6 months since listing. Next on radar is Mahanagar Gas Limited. Our analyst maintains buy on Mahanagar Gas with an unchanged price target of Rs 1,285. MGL is well suited among city gas distributors to shield its margins from any cut in petrol and diesel prices given its industry-leading EBITDA margin, which would help it easily absorb 2 to 3 rupees per kg CNG price cut. Sharp differential of 26% between CNG and petrol prices in Mumbai would aid CNG conversions going ahead. The recovery in volume and strong margin would drive a 13% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY25 earnings, along with healthy ROE and ROC at 21% and 26% respectively in FY25 estimates. MGL is the cheapest city gas distribution stock with valuation at 10 times its FY25 estimated EPS, which is attractive, and we see scope for valuation re-rating as recent UEPL acquisition could drive long-term volume growth. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.